In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian Mobile. Let's get you comfortable capturing ideas and keeping them organized right from your phone. Start by opening the Obsidian app. If you've used it before, you'll land in your vault, the space where all your notes live together. If it's your first time, follow the on-screen prompts to get into a vault, and then you're ready to go. To create your first note, tap Create New Note. Give it a clear title at the top so it's easy to find later, then start typing in the body. You can write in plain text or use simple markdown like a hash for a heading or a dash for a list. Don't stress about formatting at the start, focus on getting the thought down. Obsidian saves as you go, so you won't lose your work if you switch apps. When you want to browse or manage your notes, tap the small box icon at the top left. This opens the sidebar, your central hub for navigation. From here, you'll see your files and different views that help you move around quickly as your collection grows. To keep things tidy, tap the folder icon to create a new folder. Name it something meaningful, projects, research, or journal, so future you knows exactly where to look. You can make as many folders as you need and reorganize later without breaking links or note content. While viewing your files, tap Sort to change how your notes are listed. Sorting by name is great for alphabetized collections, while sorting by date created or last modified helps you surface recent work fast. On mobile, this is especially handy when you're in a hurry and want your newest notes at the top. Finally, open Graph View from the left side of the sidebar. This map shows how your notes connect. As you add links between notes using double brackets, the graph updates, revealing clusters and relationships you might miss in a list. Pinch to zoom, drag to explore, and tap any node to jump straight into that note. That's it. Open Obsidian Mobile, create a note, use the sidebar, organize with folders, sort your files, and explore with Graph View. You're ready to build a powerful, portable knowledge base.